Welcome to the Screencast-O-Matic presentation of Jack Talbert's ASP.NET Phase 2 project. In this, I'm going to show the use of at least two new ASPX web forms using the intrinsic ASP controls. The forms fit the application's theme and purpose. I have the addition of a hit counter using the application object. I also have the use of master pages with customizable properties, and it has the same look and feel. And I have a database connection that allows records to be browsed and also updated. This is the same website assignment. Oh, we're actually in the code behind. This is the same website assignment that we've had that I've been working on for the BAS database for Stephanie McIrvin. This is the master page for the site. It sets up all of the menus and drop downs and styling and everything that we need for the other pages. This is the main, that's the code behind. Here's my regular, there it is. This is the main page, the index that people first go into. And then we added the course details using the ASP and add students. And then the add students has most of the code behind, which it needs because we can actually add new students and update from this page. So we will start at the index, and we will view that in Google Chrome, one of our very favorites. So, in an effort to reduce eye strain and become more ergonomic, the page has a larger feel. There's already a hit counter. I mean, the hit counter is working. I had just opened and closed this particular project, and the home brings us to here. I put up useful links like Renton Technical College, online registration for the students. So if the BAS coordinator was working and the student wanted to register for courses, they'd click it in and register. And then for job seekers, there's a link to the work source and the student online kiosk. Courses, this comes right from the database. So the courses that are listed here in the database are the ones that are presented here. I turned on the paging. And then if someone scrolls down, it shows the prerequisite courses. And eventually I'm going to make those form elements where the notes can be entered. From the students page, these are the students that are currently in the database. So Jimmy Johnson got a new phone number. We can select Jimmy. We can edit Jimmy. And then we can update Jimmy's phone number. And we can update. Go back to our database. And let's find Jimmy's number. Where's he at? There. There's Jimmy's number. And there's the new number. If we wish to delete a student, delete the record, go back to our database, and let's see if Jimmy's gone. And Jimmy has left the building. we can add a new student. We'll put Jimmy back. And there are validation controls on the page. If you try and add without the required fields, the ones that can take a DB null they're not required, but the ones that can't, it throws a message up and says that is a required field. The RTC student email is not a required field. We're going to populate it anyway. The student ID wouldn't have went in. That would have caused a problem. And now Jimmy Johnson appears back in our view, and he is back in the database with the new information, including the null fields. So we're able, update, did we update? Yes, we're able to update. We're going to edit board. No, we already edited. Yeah, so we can update, add, we can delete, we can CRUD. We got CRUD, so it works. Under the employers, there are additional web links that don't appear on the other pages, and that's like to Career Builder and DICE to search job announcements. Under the sitemap, this is the sitemap contains the old index, I guess, basically, but this was before the styling was added in. When we, this was the original. This was the original. I guess interface to add the student, and it's still pointing to the old HTML controls. But anyhow, so the sitemap, if someone were to need to get to the old for whatever reason, the sitemap contains that. Then there are also campus resources. Where are we at? Campus resources and links to the different activities that are on campus. Oh, and then the Contact Us. I still have the original Contact Us, but it does allow people to log in and register. And when somebody registers, oh yeah, hey, I can log in. I already exist. Now it should tell me, hello, Jack. Yeah. So that's still working, which is good. And that should be everything that is required for the ASP.NET Phase 2. Thank you.